Johnson Viking 4740. New old stock. All I've done so far is taken the shell off, remove the speaker, shrink tube, put some shrink tube on the end of the speaker wire so nothing gets shorted out. Just doing an evaluation, just a little before and after. So far this is a badass radio. They sure don't make them like this anymore. Johnson Viking 4740. Recap and restore. This is what I've replaced so far. That's what I have to put in. And then I will replace thermal paste on all the ICs. And then we'll do a tune-up. Alright. Just got done with the recap. And thermal compound on the finals. And audio chip or chips. Alright, got her all tuned up. Go over to AM.
One, two, audio test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Alright. See on AM.
Audio.
About 10 watts. Go to sideband. Go to sideband.
Audio test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Audio test. 1, 2. Audio. Audio.
Johnson Viking 4740. All done up.